get it.
Read it. What's it say?
I don't know. What's that?
What's that?
I don't know. What is it? No, Tippy! No!
Jordan. Come here. Come here, Jordan. Jordan, or Lindsay. That's the F-250.
There's no over there.
Yeah.
Inside?
No, in the F-250.
No, no. Can I open it?
Yeah.
Yes. What is it? Because I can't exactly walk backwards 6 steps from the chicken coop, Dad. Huh?
Go read a note in the chicken coop.
You're in the chicken coop now. I'm smarter than you two. I knew it. Knew it. When you said it was for Jordan. Oh, look at the giant ball. That's sweet.
Well, go find your way to it.
I don't know.
You don't want to. Why? Something going to bite you in there?
Maybe there's something in it.